Hi, today in this video I'll show you how to set up OpenAI conversion tracking setup, and you can see I already set up this is my conversion tracking. So now let's go on Google Tag Manager. Here you can see my browser setup. This is my setup for OpenAI, and this is the purchase event. Here you can see, and this is for server, and this is a GA4 setup for server side. Okay. So now let's go on server side. This is my server side. Okay. Here you can see this is the server side setup, server side tag. And here you can see my setup is okay. So now let's go on preview. Then let's check. Okay. Okay, it's done. Okay. Let's check for page view. Okay. We need to wait few seconds. Here is page view coming. Also check, and this view event is also, this view tag is also fire. So let's see, and here you can see it's coming here. This view is for server side and this is for browser side. And now let's go on view item. Okay, let's check. Here you can see view item event, and it's also fire. Then browser side also fire success. Then here let's wait. Okay. Okay, it's coming, and this is the browser side, and this is for server side. Okay, here you can see the amount, contents, currency, content type, also correct, and this is the browser side and server side. Both are working perfectly. Let's check for advocate. Okay, advocate event is coming here. Now let's check. Now let's wait for here. Okay. Okay. It's coming here. Here you can see item added. This is the advocate. Now let's check for event data, and here you can see it's also same like amount, contents, currency, content type. Also same for browser side. Okay. Now let's go for checkout. Okay. Okay. Checkout event is coming here, and let's complete the purchase. Okay. Done. Purchase is done. Here you can see my purchase event. Now let's check on the OpenAI. Here you can see checkout. Checkout event is it's for server side and this one browser side. Okay. Here the same data. And now let's check the purchase event order is created. This one it's coming like okay. This one is server and this one is browser. Okay, so that's it. This is the OpenAI conversion tracking setup. Okay. So if you want to set up this type of tracking for OpenAI, then you can contact me. Thank you for watching this video.